What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to display product recommendations into your WordPress website using WooCommerce Store Plugin Maker for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Imagine the following scenario. You do have this product on your WooCommerce store, okay? And you would like to display into a section like this one right here. Section called maybe you may also like, and some products that you recommend if persons like this product. It's not like the related products, it's more like a custom way to display recommendations, okay? So let's get this started. I'm gonna assume that you already know how to install and set up WooCommerce. If not, please go to YouTube, type YouTube, Visual Modo, WooCommerce, and find our playlist full of tutorials explaining how to set up WooCommerce, okay? Now, after this made, go to your products, okay? Review the WordPress left sidebar menus, hover your mouse over products, and click on all products. Imagine that you would like to apply recommended products to this product right here. Click on the product in order to open the editor. Scroll down, and right here into product data we have general, inventory, shipping, and linked products. And this is the guide we're looking for, linked products. Now we have cross-sell and upsells, okay? I'm gonna use the upsells, and right here all we have to do is type the product name, okay? For example, just like this. Imagine that I would like to recommend this product. All you need to do right here is type the product title, okay? So in my case, all the products are called plants, so it's quite simple for me. And of course, you can use the product ID. How to get the product ID to search for? Go to products, hover your mouse over products, and right here you have the ID. This product ID is 164. Let's go back to the editor. Type 164, and here is the product. Now all we have to do is scroll up and click into the update button. The product has been updated, and now you have this section on your site. You may also like, and here is the 3 products that we did enter manually, okay? Easy, simple, and very effective. And of course you can customize this for every single product of your store exactly in the way that you want. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free, just the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for Sites.gallery, a place of a CSS gallery where you can promote your sites, your apps, your landing page, your game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and have a ready site from the beginning. In addition, for themes, templates, plugins, icon sets, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.